Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So now I want to discuss the example parts of speed, distance and time, okay? And whatever remaining problems are there, that one we will discuss. So now at first you should get ready with your copies, and we have to practice also, you have to try also, because easy questions are there. Basically one formula, main formula is there, so with the help of main formulas we will solve all the problems, okay? We are doing also, so that's why please get ready, okay? So in last class we have discussed up to 8. Yes, we have discussed up to 8. So now we'll start example 9 onwards. Example 9 onwards, okay? So at first you should read the question properly and try to find out the meaning of the question, and next write, okay? So see, the question is telling a train 140 meter long is running at 60 km per hour, okay? So in how much time will it pass a tunnel 260 meter long? That is the question. Just you can read the question and try to find out the meaning. What is the meaning of the question? See, the question is telling that a train 140 meter long is running, okay? So train is distance that one given, and speed how much, has 60 km per hour. So speed given and distance also given, clear? So in how much time will it pass a tunnel 260 meter long, okay? Clear? Okay. So what to do, sir? At first whatever given data, just write it. Whatever given data, just at first you should write it, okay? So train distance, that one given, okay? 140 meter. Distance of train, just write it here. Distance of train equal to 140 meter, okay? And speed given, speed how much, sir? Speed equal to given 60 km per hour, okay? But here one thing you have to see, that one, see here distance given meter, no, unit is given here meter, but here kilometer per hour, okay? So that's why you have to change it, this one, this unit kilometer per hour, change it into meter per second. Clear? Clear or not? So how to do this one? How to do? Just see. So that means 60 into kilometer per hour to, we have to convert into meter per second. That means that what? The less unit, no? Less means that one we have to multiply by 5/18, okay? Meter per second. Clear? Understood? Next, cancel it. Cancel it here. Here 6, yes, 6 10 ja 60, 6 10 ja, here 6 3 ja. So that means we are getting 10 into 5, 50, 50 by 3 meter per second, okay? 50 by 3 meter per second. Clear? So that is the distance or speed, that is the speed. Speed equal to, we are getting what, sir? 50 by 3, 50 by 3 meter per second, okay? So here is telling that it will pass a tunnel 260 meter long. So that means total distance how much, sir? Train distance given here 140 meter, no? And tunnel distance, that one what? Tunnel distance equal to 260 meter, okay? That means total distance, sir, total distance equal to 260 plus 140, clear? 260 plus 140, that means we are getting what, sir? 400 meter. Clear? This one clear or not? Okay, so we are getting the total distance here, and speed, sir, how much, sir? Speed we are getting 50 by 3, okay? So now we find out, sir, time, no? We find out, sir, yes, in how much? Question is telling in how much time. So if I have to find out time equal to what, sir? Time equal to distance by speed. Time equal to distance by speed. Okay, so distance how much, sir? Distance is write it here 400, and speed 50 by 3, 50 by 3, so 3 will come in numerator. Clear or not? And unit will be what, sir? Second. Unit will be second. Okay, so now cancel it. Here 10 10 cancel, and 5 8 40, 5 8 40, so 8 into 3 24, that means 24 second. That is the total time. Clear? Clear or not? Clear? Understood? Okay, so I hope clear up to this one. Okay, so next what, sir? Example 10. See the example 10. Example 10 is telling here a train 180 meter long crosses a standing man in 12 seconds. Okay, a train 180 meter long crosses a standing man in 12 seconds. Okay, means total train distance that one given. Distance of train what? How much? 180 meter, and a man was standing that side, so that man is crossing the man, no, that means 12 seconds only. Okay, that is the given data. And next given what, sir? Find the speed. Find the speed. We have to find out what, sir? We have to find out speed of the train in kilometer per hour. In kilometer per hour. Okay, find the speed in kilometer per hour. Unit will be kilometer per hour. So here given in the question, given here meter, no, distance given meter, and here second. That means speed at first we have to get it what, meter per second. Next we have to change it in kilometer per hour. That is the thing. Okay, clear? Okay, so at first we have what to do, sir? At first we have to write the whatever given the data, that one you have to write it. Okay, so distance given, sir, what? Distance given, write it 180 meter. Any other distance given? No, sir, only the 10 distance, whatever that one is given, so that one you have to write it. Clear? Next, time, sir, how much? Time how much, sir? Time 12 seconds given. Okay, up to this one clear? Next we find out what, sir? Speed. Distance given, time given, so we can find out what, sir? Speed, no? Speed equal to distance by time. Clear? So distance how much, sir? 180, and speed, sir, 12. Okay, and unit will be meter per second. Unit will be meter per second. Clear? Understood or not? Understood? So 180 by 12 means we can cancel it 15. Okay, 12 into 15 we will get, sir, 180. Clear? Clear or not? Understood? Okay, so now see, we are getting 15 meter per second. Okay, but here question is telling that find the speed of the train in kilometer per hour, means we have to change it in unit in kilometer per hour. Okay, so 15 meter per second given, no, so meter per second too we have to go to what? Kilometer per hour. So meter to kilometer, that one what? That big unit, no, largest unit. So that's why we have to multiply by 18 by 5. Clear? Clear or not? Understood? So when just you have to remind it, just I am just telling again, kilometer per hour to meter per second. That time that small unit we are going to the small unit, so that means we have to multiply by 5 by 18, and when we will go to that meter per second to kilometer per hour, we have to multiply it by 18 by 5. Clear? Understood? Next, so multiply it, sir, here. So 5 3 is 15, 5 3 is 15, and 3 into 18 what, sir? 18 3 is 54 kilometer per hour. Clear? I have clear? Understood everyone? So our answer will be, sir, what? 54 kilometer per hour. So write it. Therefore the speed of the train is 54 kilometer per hour. 54 kilometer per hour. Clear? Understood everyone? Okay, so this is example 10. Clear? Next. So next what, sir? Next, just a minute. Next page, actually that one D income, that one little problem is there, so that's why 1 2 3 4 D income, no, the next page D income. Okay, it's okay, no problem, that one. Just a minute everyone. So now we have to go to that part, that exercise part. Okay, exercise part. So exercise part, at first okay, so next page, actually here D income, so that's why little problem. It's okay, no problem, just I am writing the question. Exercise 12. Okay, exercise 12. So first question is telling here, convert each of the following speed into meter per second. First question, example part complete. Okay, so now we'll discuss what, sir? Exercise part. So exercise part, first question is telling that convert each of the following, convert each of the following speeds into meter per second. Speeds into meter per second, that is the question. Okay, so what is the data is given here? I am writing here. See, first data is 90 km per hour, 90 km per hour. Number 2, 27 km per hour, 27 km per hour. Question number 3, 315 km per hour, 315 km per hour. Okay, and number 4, 16.2 km per hour. Number 4, 16.2 km per hour. Okay, these are the data given in the question, so just find out that speed into meter per second. Here see, all unit are kilometer per hour, no, that unit of speed here given on kilometer per hour, but we have to find out, sir, meter per second. Clear? Okay, so what to do, sir, here? So 90 km per hour equal to, so kilometer per hour to, I told you, meter per second means we have to multiply by 5 by 18. Clear or not? So 90 into 5 by 18. Okay, and here unit will be meter per second. Okay, so next cancel it, 8 5 ja 18 5 ja 90, so that means we are getting, sir, 25 meter per second. Clear? Clear or not? Understood? Next what, sir? Next question number 2, 27 km per hour, 27 km per hour, that means 27 into 5 by 18, 5 by 18 meter per second. Okay, cancel it here, 9 2 ja and 9 3 ja. So that means we are getting 3 into 5, 15 by 2, 15 by 2 meter per second. 15 by 2 means what? 7.5 meter per second. Clear or not? 7.5 meter per second. Okay. Next, point number 3, 315 kilometer per hour. So 315 into 5 by 18 meter per second. Okay, cancel it here. This is divisible by 3. 3 6 here we are getting. Here also we are getting 3 1 3 here. 3 5 15, 105. Okay, so again this one divisible by 3. 3 2 6, and this is also divisible by 3. So 3 3 9, 3 5 15, 35. Okay, so that means we are getting 35 into 5 by 2. Clear? Do multiplication here. 5 5 25, 5 2 carry, 5 3 15 plus 2 17, 175 by 2 meter per second. That means we are getting here 2 8 16 and 1 5 15, 87.5 meter per second. Clear? This little calculation is there, so you can do it also, you can try it also, no problem that one. Okay, next, last one sir, 4, 16.2, no, 16.2 kilometer per hour given here. Just change it. So 16.2 into 5 by 18. Okay, remove the point. So if we remove the point, what do we get sir here? 10 in denominator. Okay, and unit will be what sir? Meter per second. Clear? Next, 5 to the 10 and 18 9 ja 162. 89 ja 162. Okay, so that means we are getting what sir? We are getting 9 by 2, and 9 by 2 means what? 4.9 by 2 meter per second. That means we are getting sir 4.5 meter per second. Clear? Easy, very easy question. You can do it also, no problem that one. So question number 1 finished. Next sir, question number 2. Question number 2 just opposite given here, means here given kilometer per hour, we have to change in meter per second, and there given same question, convert each of the following. Convert each of the following into kilometer per hour. Into kilometer per hour, that is the question. Following speeds into kilometer per hour. Clear? Okay, so what to do sir here? What to do sir here? In data, at first given the data, just write the data given here. 35 meter per second, number 1. 35 meter per second, number 2. 14 meter per second, number 3. 60 meter per second, and number 4, 3.5 meter per second. Okay, clear? That is the question. So what to do sir here? Same question. Here we have to change it what sir? Meter per second to kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour means multiply by what? 18 by 5. Clear or not? Clear? Okay, so see, 35 into 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. Okay, so cancel it. 5 7 ja 35, 18 7 ja 126. Okay, clear? So unit will be what sir? Kilometer per hour. Okay, next, similarly question number 2, 14 meter per second given, no? So 14 into 18 by 5 we are getting then unit will be what, sir? Kilometer per hour. Here any cancellation is possible, sir? Not possible, so that means you have to multiply it. 14 into 18, 18 into 14, multiply it. 14 is 112, 2, 11, 14 is 14 plus 11, 25, 252. Okay, 252, 252 by 5 kilometer per hour. Okay, so that means we are getting 5 5 is 25. Okay, next 2, that means 0 will come. Okay, for 2, that 1 for 0.10, that means 50.4 kilometer per hour. Clear or not? Understood? I hope clear. So next 2 questions, next 2 problems, you have to change it, you have to do it. That 60 meter per second and 3.5 meter per second, that 2 I am giving to you, you have to solve it. Okay, 60 meter per second and 3.5 meter per second, you have to change it into kilometer per hour. Okay, that means multiplying by 18 by 5. Okay, I think you can do it. So next question, question number 2. Next question, see question number 2. Question number 2 is 2 finished. Question number 3, 1 2 finished. Question number 3. Question number 3 is given here. A car travels. I am writing here. A car travels a distance of 258 kilometer. 258 kilometer in 3 hours 35 minutes. Hours 35 minutes. So what is the speed of the car, sir? Okay, so that is the question. A car travels a distance of 258 kilometer in 3 hours 35 minutes. Okay, so what is the speed of the car? Easy question, you can solve it. So whatever given data, just at first write it. At first given here distance, no, so I am writing here d equal to given 258 kilometer. Okay, and time 3 hours 35 minutes. Okay, 3 hours 35 minutes. Okay, but here see, we have to find out what, sir? Speed unit what, sir? Kilometer per hour. We know that here kilometer given, distance it is okay, but time 3 hours 35 minutes. No, that minutes already given here. No, that is the main problem. Okay, so that means this one you have to change it in hour, minute to hour. Clear? So that means 3 hours 35 by 60. Clear or not? 3 hours 35 by 60, because with 35 minutes means 35 by 60. No, clear? Minute to hour means we have to divide by 60. Okay, so this one will be also hour. So that means we are getting 335 by 60 hours. Clear or not? Clear? Next, cancel it. 5 7 is 35 and 5 12 is 60. Okay, so that means we are getting 37 by 12 hours. This is mixed fraction convert into improper fraction. So denominator 12 3 36, 36 plus 7 43 by 12 hours. Okay, clear or not? Clear? Next, that is what time, that is time. So now we have to find out what's the speed equal to what's the distance by time. Distance how much, sir? Distance 258 kilometer, and times are how much? 43 by 12. Okay, so unit will be what, sir? Kilometer per hour. So that means we are getting what, sir? 258 into 12, because this 12 will go to the numerator and denominator will be 43. Okay, kilometer per hour. Next, cancel it, sir. Here cancellation is possible, sir. 258 and 43. 43 4 6 ja 43 6 ja, I think 6 3 ja 18, 8 1 carry, 6 4 ja 24, 24 plus 1 25. Yes, 258. 43 6 ja, so that means 43 6 ja we are getting. So 3 into 12 what, sir? 36 kilometer per hour. Clear? So therefore the speed of the car is 36 kilometer per hour. Okay, clear? I hope clear, everyone. So you have to practice it. Okay, all examples, that is homework. All examples. Okay, all examples as well as exercise. All examples and exercise 1 to up to 4. Okay, 1 to up to 3 also do, no problem that one. All examples and exercise 1 to up to 3. Okay, clear, everyone? So you have to practice it and show me. You have to submit your homework. Okay, submit your homework. Clear? That's all, everyone. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Have a nice day.